Oliver, thanks for joining on CGTN. In your opinion, which German industries like auto, machinery, chemicals are most affected by the US tariffs at this stage?
Well, foremost, it's affecting those companies that are operating in Germany, exporting from Germany to the US market. There's already a significant number of German companies invested in the US heavily. These are mostly medium-sized and larger medium-sized, if not large, German companies. Obviously, these companies have a kind of tariff advantage over the ones that are just, quote-unquote, exporting from Germany to the US. Therefore, the companies that are mostly affected negatively, are the many small and medium-sized German companies not having a presence in the US. And this is ranging across various sectors.
Do you think the German companies will shift production to the US to avoid this, as some experts said, the worst case scenario in terms of tariffs?
Even if owners or the shareholders of a company would love to do that, following the suggestion or the pressure from the United States, it's something which is not happening overnight. German industry typically is very research-driven, innovation-driven. It's advanced manufacturing. Therefore, just relocating a company with all its R&D innovation background from country A to country B, this is not easy.
Is US tariff disrupting global supply chain involving China and Germany?
We don't like tariffs. It's very distorting for international supply chains. It's difficult for business people to take investment decisions. We would love to see more people, and especially our friends and partners in the US, to stick to the rules of the World Trade Organization. This is why we have the WTO for. Everyone is losing with tariffs. We expect US consumers to lose. Someone needs to pay the bill for it. Of course, it will have an impact on the Chinese economy. For the German companies operating in China, only in China, the immediate impact in general so far is rather limited. It's something that everyone is observing with great concerns. A lot of our companies operating in China, they have a global setup. Many of them are also invested in the US or in North America. Therefore, foremost, they are impacted or affected with their operations in North America. One very important and also painful case is the automotive industry, which has a strong manufacturing footprint in Mexico, counting on free trade within North America. Obviously, this has been challenged significantly recently, and we all see and understand that these companies are very concerned